Good evening, everyone. I am Chaitanya Parab from third year T1 batch, and I am going to talk about the subject that affects every one of us: highway maintenance. India has one of the largest and fastest growing road networks in the world, spanning over 6.3 million kilometers. This road connects people, support trades, and drive economic growth. But behind the scenes, there's a cruel system at work: highway maintenance that keeps roads safe, smooth, and reliable. From tiny cracks to massive potholes, every issue we see on the road is more than just a surface problem. It reflects deeper challenges in design, environment, usage, and upkeep. In this presentation, I will explore the cause of pavement distress, different types of maintenance, the role of drainage, especially in India's monsoon climate, and why timely investment is key to save cost and lives. Let's dive into the world of highway maintenance, where small actions today can prevent big problems tomorrow. Now we are going to talk about common pavement distress. There are four types of common pavement distress such as cracking, rutting, potholes, bleeding and raving. So cracking means the cracks which we see on roads while driving vehicles. The crackings are like alligator longitudinal transfers and block type. So alligator cracking appears look like alligator skin, interconnected blocky cracks cause repeated traffic loading, especially from heavy vehicles or overtime. Severity indicates structure failure of the pavement. Common location are wheel paths. In cracking, there is also longitudinal. The appearance of this crack that runs parallel to the pavement center line or lane line. It caused due to the poor joint construction, shrinkage, and reflective cracking from underlying layer. The transverse cracking appears cracks that run perpendicular to the pavement center. Causes temperature. It is caused due to the temperature changes or shrinkage of pavement materials. Block cracking, rectangular or square-shaped cracks that divides the surface into large blocks. It is caused again of the asphalt binder or not related to traffic loads. Second is rutting. Rutting is the depression or grooves along wheel path. It is caused due to repeating heavy traffic causing the asphalt to deform, often due to weak base or we call it as subgrade, poor compaction, asphalt mix instability. It is impacted due to water. Water can pull in ruts, increasing hydroplaning risk, leads to uncomfortable and unsafe driving conditions. Third is potholes. It is bowl-shaped holes in the pavement surface. This is caused due to water infiltration to cracks, freeze and thawing cycle, traffic stress, breaking down weakened pavement. Then that is bleeding, skinny sticky film of asphalt binder on the surface. It is caused due to excessive asphalt binder in mix and hot weather causing binder to rise. Next is revealing, the loss of surface aggregate making pavement rough and loose. It is caused due to binder egging and hardening, poor compaction or weak bonding of aggregates. Now we are talking about causes of pavement distresses. Traffic loading. Traffic loading that is due to heavy axles and high traffic volume cause stress and fatigue. Environmental factors, temperature changes and moisture weakening pavement layers. Material properties, poor asphalt mix design, and aggregate quality illiterate failure. Construction quality influence compaction and layer thickness reduce durability. Classification of maintenance. Routine maintenance. Routine maintenance such as pavement day-to-day tasks, that is crack sealing, potholes repair, and vegetation management. So during routine management, from the time of construction of the road, there should be daily routine of checking the roads, that how the roads are. Are there cracks? If there are cracks, there should be a complaint so that it could be immediately get uh, repaired. Goals: keep roads serviceable and stop minor issues becoming major. Budget: typically 10% to 20% of maintenance first funds, cost effective methods. And cost: crack ceiling range from $2,500 to $6,000 per lane mile. Classification of maintenance. Now it is periodic maintenance. The extensive repairs, objectives, cost and cost saving. So extensive repairs includes overlaying, surface treatment and full reconstruction. Their objectives are restore structure and smoothness for improved rise quality. Cost: overlaying cost for about 2 lakh to 5 lakh dollars per lane miles for 4-inch thickness. Cost saving: use of recycled asphalt pavement cuts by cuts cost by 20% to 30%. So from this method we can save the money and we can make our ecosystem green by using recycled asphalt. Then now we are talking about importance of drainage in India. Monsoon climate changes. As we can see, there are too much climate nowadays. There are too much climate changes in India because there is raining in winter and summer also. So heavy rains and humidity demands efficient drainage. Pavement deterioration. Poor drainage leads to water damage, erosion, and pavement failure. Water impact. Water weakens subgrade, causing pumping and erosion. Benefits: proper drainage can extend pavement life by up to 50%. Now we are talking about drainage design and maintenance. Surface drainage, cross slope, ditch, culverts direct water flow away. Subsurface drainage, geotextiles, drainage layer, pavements, water built up below pavements. Maintaining drainage, regular cleaning of ditches and repair of culvert in is critical. Standards: India's NHAI enforce stringent drainage standards for highways. So these are some drainage designs and maintenance. So now I am going to conclude my presentation as there should be timely maintenance, prevents pavement distress from worsening and ensures safety. Second is maintenance type, routine and periodic upkeep both plays vital role. Drainage role. Effective drainage is crucial, especially in Indian monsoon climate. Long-term benefits. Proactive maintenance saves money, extends pavement life, and protects lives. So thank you and welcome.